Hey everyone. Today I want to tell you how Integrated Language Solutions celebrates Indian Independence Day. It's a day that holds immense significance, not just for India but for all of us who believe in the power of freedom and unity. At Integrated Language Solutions, we pride ourselves on being a global company. But we never forget the roots that shape our diverse team. This year, to honor India's 78th Independence Day, we decided to go beyond the usual celebrations. First, we organized a virtual cultural exchange. Employees from our offices around the world shared stories, music, and traditions that highlight India's rich cultural tapestry. It was fascinating to see colleagues from different backgrounds and nationalities engaging and learning from each other. It reminded us that language is not just about words, but about understanding and connecting with people on a deeper level. Next, we had a special guest speaker. A renowned historian shared insights about India's journey to independence and the values that inspired its leaders. This session was not just informative, but also deeply moving, as it shed light on the sacrifices made for the freedom we often take for granted. We also launched an internal initiative, encouraging employees to participate in community service. Whether it's teaching a new language to underprivileged children or volunteering at local shelters, our team members are making a difference. This initiative is a reflection of the spirit of selflessness and unity that Independence Day embodies. But our celebrations didn't stop there. We also had a culinary day, where employees cooked and shared traditional Indian dishes. This was not just a feast for the taste buds, but also a way to bring everyone together, fostering a sense of community and belonging. In addition, we encouraged everyone to dress in traditional Indian attire. It was heartwarming to see the vibrant colors and beautiful fabrics, a visual testament to India's diversity and heritage. Finally, we wrapped up the day with a heartfelt tribute video. It featured messages from our employees, expressing what Independence Day means to them and how it inspires their work at Integrated Language Solutions. Watching this video, I felt a profound sense of pride and gratitude for being part of such an incredible team. Celebrating Indian Independence Day at Integrated Language Solutions is more than just an event. It's a reminder of our commitment to cultural appreciation, unity, and making a positive impact in the world. So here's to freedom, unity, and the incredible journey that lies ahead for all of us. Thank you for watching. Stay inspired, stay connected,